Hello, friends. This is your host Vijay, and welcome to Teach Me. This video is going to be about motivation behind every technology that you're going to learn that keeps you moving day to day so that your programming goal is achieved. Programming is definitely not a rocket science. Instead, it is an art. Programming is like instructing computer for desired results. These instructions are in readable English formats with designed syntax. It is like writing a poem to the computer so that the computer responds with a desired output. To be a good programmer, you need three basic qualities. One is ability to solve problems. Second, the ability of logical reasoning. Third, the curiosity and interest to pursue in programming and to step out of your comfort zone. Did you know there are lots and lots of computers in your home right now? But you tell? How do you tell that? Computers are nothing but they are like switches. Computers are switches, but the difference is computers act like a group of switches stacked together in patterns. A switch can just understand two commands. It understands either on or off. On represented as 1, off represented as 0. These switches in computers are called transistors in processors. So all the code that you write is ultimately converted into on or off instructions, and in computer science you call that as binary. So computers are a group of switches, as simple as that. Many people ask me a tricky question that can you be a programmer? To all those people, I just suggest these three quotes from Henry Ford. This will definitely be a motivation to pursue programming. So just think about it and pursue a career in programming. There are certain rules to be a good coder. The first rule and the most important rule is to read a lot of code and to write a lot of code. This is really important. Sometimes when you don't feel like reading code, just read it once like a storybook and revise it soon. Sooner or later, it is going to be etched up in your brain. Revision is what makes you a perfect coder. Know the rules, play with the syntax, and write clean code. Always think before you commit to write code. Get out of your comfort zone. Drop your mobile phone right now and start coding on your laptop. That really improves productivity. In general, how to be a problem solver. Why do a programmer need to solve problems? Because programmers are people who are engineers. Engineers solve problems. So it is ideal to be a problem solver. So don't worry if you hate maths. Just start loving it right now. You can build confidence by solving similar goal-oriented puzzles. As soon as you get correct answers, you will build up your confidence. There are four problem solving steps that I have listed below. The first is to understand the problem and the given inputs. Second is to look for puzzles and possible traps. Third is to apply your knowledge and the techniques that you have learned with logic. The fourth is to test for bugs and to produce an optimized output. So happy problem solving. Computer science is an ocean, and to cross it, you need a long journey of programming. I have listed out a few steps so that you can sail through the computer science ocean using a long journey programming. The first step and the most important step, as discussed, is to read a lot of code, write a lot of code, practice a lot of code, revise a lot of code. Sometimes give some time to understand the concepts. Repeat till you understand those concepts. Commit daily learning as a habit. Commit daily available time. Learning is not for gaining money. Learning is not just to teach someone. Learning by itself is fun, like reading, writing, viewing, watching a movie. These all these characters represent a fun activity. So learning is definitely fun. Always try to read for knowledge. Knowledge is the most valuable thing on this planet Earth. So every time that you invest in obtaining knowledge, those time is equivalent to gold. So just be happy reading and writing code. That's all I have right now to share with you in this topic, technology motivation. Once again, this is your host Vijay, and thank you for visiting TeachMe. Hope to see you in my next awesome video. Good luck.